Welcome to a weather update via the Force 13 Australia Oceania channel, where we have a developing weather scene across parts of Queensland and including New South Wales. Currently on the radar, you're looking at on the screen the latest satellite imagery, and I will scroll down starting from Cape York right down into New South Wales. The Weather Bureau, via their tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the Coral Sea, remains unchanged, where it has a slow moving trough which is expected to move south, and on that trough the possibility of transient lows forming. However, in saying that, there is a weak low pressure system off the Mackay coast, and it's expected to be around to the northeast east of Sandy Cape on Fraser Island. The New South Wales Weather Bureau at 2:25 p.m. local time has issued an updated severe thunderstorm warning for large hailstones, heavy rainfall and damaging winds. The warning is current for the northwest slopes, the plains, central west slopes and plains, parts of the Hunter, central tablelands, southwest slopes, the Riverina, lower western, upper western, northern tableland forecast districts. And I've just updated at 16:25 p.m. local time, recapping severe thunderstorm warning has been expanded to include the metropolitan, central tablelands, northwest slopes, plains, central west slopes and plains, parts of the Hunter, Illawarra, lower western, upper western and northern tableland forecast districts. This is for large hailstones, heavy rainfall, damaging winds. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging hailstones, heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding. Damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Gosford, Sydney, Armidale, Orange, Tamworth, Gunnedah, Moree, Narrabri, Wicket and Dubbo, Parks and the Lightning Ridge. Thunderstorms are no longer occurring in the southwest slopes and Riverina districts, and the warning for those districts is now cancelled. This is the latest from the New South Wales Bureau of Meteorology, and you can see how the area has been expanded. It's now Mungandai up on the Queensland New South Wales border, to the east of Burke, Colbar, then down to West Wyalong and across to Wollongong. And area of interest is Inverell, where they've already had some interesting rainfall totals so far today. This is the current Bureau of Meteorology's radar, the 512 composite, the Brisbane station, and you can see on the screen some intense cells from Mungandai down to Coonamble. Now we're going across to the latest rainfall. This is the 12-hourly outlook. And we will have a look at each day. This is for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Total rainfall for the first 4 days. You can see the area in light green to dark green to light blue, dark blue, and pink to purple. Then we go to the second 4-day period, and you can see the area Now we look at days 1 through 8. I have been told personally, there is a report where we could see a month's supply of rain across the next 3 days. Now if we look at the scale, rainfall scale on the right hand side, anywhere from 100 millimeters up to 400 millimeters is possible. The Bureau of Meteorology here in Brisbane, or New South Wales first, has issued a flood watch for the upper McIntyre River Valley. A low pressure system associated trough has developed over the northern inland of New South Wales. Very unstable conditions to the east of the low mean that widespread thunderstorms with local heavy rainfall are expected in New South Wales on Monday and Tuesday. This rainfall has the potential to cause flooding to develop in the following river valleys from late Monday onwards. And this refers to the upper McIntyre. Now we have a look at the 850 MB vorticity. And this is for the eastern region. You can see the area within the New South Wales and the area to the north of Fraser Island. And there's a tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the Gulf of Carpentaria, including northern region. Nothing to report. The tropical cyclone outlook for the Coral Sea, as mentioned, a weak trough over the central Coral Sea will drift southward during the next couple of days. Some transient lows may develop along this trough, but conditions will generally be unfavourable for tropical cyclone development. A flood watch has been issued by the Brisbane office and the Bureau for the McIntyre, Rhea and Mooney rivers. Now stay tuned to Force 13 Australia Oceania for further updates with this developing weather system. Before we go, Force 13 operates its own website, also across the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Skype, and recently the Discord platform. And bye for now.